Be ready. Start. Sir, after long discussion, we are about to pass this bill. Many of our suggestions have not been accepted and we shall continue to praise them in future whenever we get a chance. As you know, even before this measure come, I brought in an amendment to section 293 prohibiting donations to political parties. We may do it from this side of the house through private members' bills. Now I will make a few suggestions. Whatever little improvements have been made, despite the fact that they have not gone very far at all, very much will depend on how the law is administered, and we find from our experience that whenever a measure of this kind is passed containing neither so bad nor so good provisions, they are not properly implemented. There are certain provisions in the bill which are important and they should be enforced. We can enforce them. Sir, great responsibility devolves on the Department of Company Affairs. In this connection, you will have noticed that in the course of the discussion, none from this side or from the other side of the house made any adverse remarks about the company law administration. We have done so not because we have not got one or two complaints about them, but we know that they have been subjected to severe attack by big businessmen who are trying to malign the Department of Company Affairs and make it look as if it is a bureaucratic department not interested in public good but interested in self-aggrandizement and so on. That is why we thought that this institution, the Department of Company Affairs, should be given a little protection, and that protection we have given. What we would not like is this. Firstly, we would like the organization to be developed in very many centers like Kolkata, Kanpur, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, etc. But you do not have enough officers. I think in order to implement a measures of this kind, we must have a larger number of officers and personnel. Some people might ask, how is it that the Communist Party, which has been pressing for economy, now comes out with this suggestion for extension of what might be called the bureaucracy? I do not view it from this angle at all, because no party is going to implement this. Stop.